Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. So in this video, we're going to make an AI podcast out of our course notes. So I've been seeing people all over TikTok use this and stuff like that, and I thought it was going to be really cool. So let's try it out. So you can add stuff from your Google Drive. So I already found the documents I want to use. So, yeah, upload your documents and NotebookLM will answer detailed questions or surface key insights. I'm so excited about the podcast. Okay, so let's create and then Google, it is a Google slide. Let's try Google Docs, is where it's at. Okay, nice. I think I want to try, let's do defining methods. Yeah. I have like over like 40 different PDFs and stuff from that class, but I was like, let's start with one and then you can like add more stuff. But okay, let's generate the podcast. And meanwhile, so this may take a few minutes, don't need to stick around. Okay, so while that's going on, let's see what all this other stuff does in this notebook. Y'all, I just love podcasts so much. Like, I'll be on the bus listening to a podcast. You know what I'm saying? So I just feel like sometimes you can be not really. Ooh. Okay, nice. Kind of like different summaries of this. ChatGPT can do a version of that. Okay. Nice. So it has the slides over here. It's going to be interesting how the podcast, because a lot of this is like images and stuff. So I'm curious how much of the images they can actually catch up on, because I bet the text is easier to like parse through. Okay, great. I love the setup and like UI, the organization of all of this. That's really cool. Okay. Oh, I cannot process any. Okay, I don't know what happened there. Okay, that's still generating. It has a summary. How do slides demonstrate the importance of defining methods in Java? What are the various components? Let's do that. What are the various components of a method definition and how do these components work together? So I feel like it's going to talk a lot about like the syntax of how you define it in Java. I actually don't code in Java a lot anymore, but if I was learning this, it would be helpful to know. Okay, cool. Nice. We can have like follow-ups. Ooh. Oh. It goes to the part in this. Oh, that's actually really cool. It has like the little slide on the side too. That's actually amazing. Oh, okay. Yeah, I feel like this is what people were talking about. What makes this different is because, if you use something that's just like straight up chat GBT, it gets the information from all over. But if you actually ask questions here, it will like get the answers from all the different materials you put in. And I heard you can put in like books and things like that. So that's cool. I kind of want to ask a question that's like related to this. Methods can bundle together Java lines that you use often. To write a method, write its documentation, write its signature, write its body, test implementation. Okay, let's ask a question. How do you write a method? I know we were here for the podcast, but this notebook in general is actually really cool. I've been learning a lot of like business finance stuff, so I'm actually going to try and use it for this because I'm trying to dig deep into these topics. Oh, nice. I actually went to the slide I was looking at. Ah. Oh, that's amazing. You can highlight over it too. Wow. This is amazing. This is next level, y'all. Google, you ate. You ate with this one. They said we in this game, baby. Okay. It's still generating the conversation, but I can see how like generating a full podcast could take some time. But let's explore some of this stuff some more. Okay. So we have this, key topics. Let's talk about method body. What's that? Okay, cool. Discuss method body. Okay, so things, topics from the slides that you want to dive into. I'm geeking out. You know what's crazy, y'all? I was one of those people that after I graduated, I was like, I am not going back to school at all. Like, I barely survived. I'm done. But honestly, with all these tools and stuff like that, like, and that's actually really cool. Like, I feel like I want to like get my master's in something related to AI. I'm just like, I want to be a part of building something that's going to change the way we learn. Like, that's actually freaking crazy. But okay, method body explained. Nice. I mean, it's citing it from your documents, which is amazing. Because, you know, sometimes you be using ChatGPT, and I'm like, where did you get this from? But it's citing it, which is really cool. Oh, yeah, the podcast. Okay, let's listen to this, y'all.
All right, so get this. Today, we're going to be diving into Java methods.
Ooh, exciting.
Right. Ever, like wished you could just like bottle up a piece of code you wrote and then like reuse it whenever you want and like make your programs just super clean.
Yeah.
I love this. I love how they're talking about it. I'm obsessed. Bottle it up. It even put it into its own words because I don't think that exact like phrasing is in the doc, which I love. I love hearing things like an overview, like explain it to me like I'm 5, and then later we can go into like the details and all that stuff of it. So loving this so far.
That's methods.
Like magic almost.
It is. We're looking at these lecture slides, right, from a CSE 8A course.
Okay.
Probably UC San Diego based on the course code. But these slides, they really break it down.
It is interesting how fundamental some of these concepts are, right?
Oh, yeah.
Like they completely change how you think about code once you really get them.
Totally. And they don't waste any time, these slides.
Okay.
They're talking about review quizzes, pair programming assignments. There's an exam coming up.
Which sounds familiar.
Right. So this is like real deal stuff.
It is. It is.
So
I love the ad libs. Whatever engineer or program manager or whoever thought of those ad libs, amazing.
Oh, okay. So one of the first things they do is they talk about the concat function in Java.
Okay.
No, just everyone's on the same page. When we say string in programming, we just mean like a piece of text, right?
Like hello world would be a string.
Exactly.
Oh my God.
Exactly. And
Okay, so I'm not going to let you look at me, listen to this. You see I'm geeking out. I'm going to listen to the whole thing, come back, and then give you my thoughts. Okay, so I know I said I'm going to listen to the whole thing and then come back, but it's actually crazy how good this is. Like, I'm almost scared. Like, wow. Like, it was able to, like, answer this review question, but then also give the significance of it, y'all. Use this. It's free right now. Please, Google, don't charge us for this. Like, this is going to transform the way we learn. And I don't think it's going to replace, like, watch someone quotes me on this. I don't think it's going to replace like actual podcasts just because I like their flavor. Like, this is really cute. I bet they're going to come out with different like people voices that they're going to use and like things like that to customize it and stuff. But like, yeah, when I listen to like the base CS podcast, they're going to have their own interpretations and analogies and all that stuff. Like the way I react to things will be different than someone else. So I just think this is great. Can you oh yes, I would download this and on the bus, I'll be listening to this. Like, this is amazing. And yeah, I'm going to have a link to this. This was not sponsored at all. It was just like going viral on TikTok, so I wanted to try it out. But yeah, I'm going to geek out over this. And the next time you see me, I'll probably have like 10 notebooks. Okay. Okay, bye y'all. If you like this video, make sure to like and also comment if you want to see more videos like this. I play around with AI tools all the time, but I was like, let me play around with y'all. But if you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments below.